Today, we uncover the story of World War II, how it started, what key events shaped it, and how it ended. Let's break it down. How World War II started. After World War I, the Treaty of Versailles blamed Germany, forced them to pay huge reparations, and weakened their military. This led to suffering and anger. Adolf Hitler, a powerful speaker and nationalist, rose to power in 1933 and promised to restore Germany's pride. He turned the country into a dictatorship and rebuilt its military in secret. By 1939, Hitler invaded Poland, after already annexing Austria and Czechoslovakia. Britain and France had enough. On 3 September 1939, they declared war on Germany. World War II had officially begun. Major sides and early dominance. Two sides formed. Axis powers, Germany, Hitler, Italy, Mussolini, and Japan, Emperor Hirohito. Allied powers, the UK, Churchill, Soviet Union, Stalin, the US, Roosevelt Truman, China, France, and others. Germany used a fast attack method called Blitzkrieg, conquering France, Belgium, and others. Britain was bombed heavily in the Battle of Britain, but they held strong. In 1941, Hitler betrayed Stalin and invaded the Soviet Union. And on 7 December 1941, Japan bombed Pearl Harbor. The US entered the war the next day. Turning points. By 1942, the Axis had reached their peak. But cracks were forming. In the Battle of Stalingrad, 1942-43, the Soviets defeated Germany in brutal winter fighting. Meanwhile, the US began island hopping in the Pacific and pushing back Japan. In 1944, the Allies launched D-Day on 6 June, a massive invasion of Normandy, France. This opened a Western front, squeezing Germany between the US and UK from the west and the Soviets from the east. The Holocaust. Behind the front lines, Hitler carried out the Holocaust, a horrifying genocide. Over 6 million Jews, along with Poles, Romani, disabled people, and political prisoners, were systematically murdered. The world would only fully grasp its horror after the war ended. How the war ended. In April 1945, Soviet troops entered Berlin. Hitler committed suicide on 30th April. On 7th May, Germany surrendered, called Victory in Europe Day, Way Day. But the war wasn't over. Japan still resisted. To end it quickly, the US dropped two atomic bombs on Hiroshima, 6th August, and Nagasaki, 9th August. Over 200,000 people died. Japan surrendered on 15th August 1945. Aftermath and impact. World War II killed an estimated 70 to 85 million people, the deadliest conflict in history. The United Nations was created to maintain peace. Two new superpowers emerged, the US and Soviet Union, leading to the Cold War. The world was never the same. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.